Welcome back everyone to Pontos Fathom Hobbies. This is our paint through video for A Song of Ice and Fire tabletop miniature game for the Champions of the Stag. We've got the box art here, we've got the miniatures on the table. I'm going to kind of use the miniature here. I'm going to make this a speed paint. I really want to get these on the table quickly. So I'm going to try a little something different. I'm going to try to use a bunch of shaker cans to get primed in different colors. Just see how it works out, just to get some paint on the minis as fast as possible. So it's kind of like our Champions of the Stag speed run with a cleanup round after that. So I'll go into the Champions of the Stag and then we'll jump into the rest of the paint through. Thank you guys for watching. Taking a look at these miniatures, the details are very amazing. Very easy to paint the horse lines, the armor. Looking forward to jumping into painting these. From the box cards for the Champions of the Stag, it says, in keeping with the Baratheon doctrine of heavy arms and heavier armor, Champions of the Stag are knights in full plate mail atop massive destriers. These juggernauts have all the mobility of cavalry and the staying power of frontline units. Intelligent commanders are best served keeping them mobile to force engagements of their own choosing. But if indeed champions can hold the line for longer than most other cavalry. So we'll get these primed up and we will jump into cleaning up the models after we have this multicolor priming experiment that I'm going to do. Let's go check it out. So yeah, checking these out after the shaker cans, I tried to get the 3 different horse colors as well as the yellow cloaks and the metallic plate. I'll go ahead now and clean up all the lines of these, and it should make the painting a little bit quicker. And then we'll add some details and then we'll get into some hero shots. Yeah, I really like how these are coming out. I'm going to hit them all with some washes. I'm going to use a flesh shade and also a Nuln oil. And then we will have a quick word from our bookstore sponsor. And then I'll see you guys in the hero shots at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Pontos Fathom Hobbies is brought to you by the books we produce. We've got a bookstore link down below where you can check out books like King in Yellow and Lost Carcosa and the Yellow Sign. We've got our podcast series featuring a number of our podcasts like Esoteric Dragon Mysteries, Saturn Mysteries, and other books on our fiction topics. We've got the works of Giuseppe Balsamo and August Moldenhauer, our Cthulhu line, and also collected in the one-volume Cat Journals out of Lovecraft's Providence. Finally, we've got William Mitchell's Alchemy and Anthroposophy in the Dune Saga, and Artificial Psychoanalysis of Desiring Machines, also available in the 3 volumes. Go check out our bookstore and go to our Patreon, like and subscribe, leave a message. Your support really helps us to grow the channel and get noticed by the algorithm. Leave a comment down below and we'll see you in the wrap-up of the video. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I'm just going to paint up the bases for these. I've got the washes already on these minis. We'll do a quick overview of the minis. I like how they came out. Take you guys out with some hero shots. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you when we get these in the gameplay.